Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your TCL 408. To do this, open the settings. Next, scroll down and open apps. Right now, click to view all apps. And then select application that you want to remove. For example, I'm gonna do this with this AnTuTu benchmark. So click on it once, click uninstall, confirm. As you can see, after a few moments, we easily get rid of that. But there's also some applications that you cannot remove, and it's, for example, the Android Auto application. And it's all about the default system apps. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.